Okay guys, so crazy freaking morning. Anyway, I'll probably discuss it more on my way to town, but I'm currently on my way out, well, getting ready to go out to the garage because my window in my car broke. Yes, that's the reality of my life. My window in my car broke, so I have to go and get it quickly fixed now before I go on my fun day with Tara and Maeve. So, I put on my shoes at the minute. And my outfit is so terrible and disgusting, but you know what, I just only out to the garage, so I mean, who am I trying to impress really? No one. So yeah, that's, and I'll go in more in depth later, and this angle is probably like freaking awful, but anyway, so that's the plan at the minute.
You crashed your
car.
car.
This is my window that's broken, but Mum's pushed it up, so it's fine at the minute. But, oops, I seen your face there, Harry. And then also, this happened to my car as well. So, I'm a bit of a disaster. That's it, recorded now. Hi guys, hello. So, me and Tara, oh, I almost got hit by a car. Me and Tara just came from lunch, we went to the cottage. It was really nice. I got a vegan salad, which was just like salad and fruit, and a cappuccino. And what did you get, Tara? Tara got a
few things.
DLC without the B. It's no bacon, and then she also got a soup. You know, very delicious. And then she also got this. No, she didn't get.
Okay, no, let's not call me fat in this situation. I just had
to
soup.
realize that you're not fat, so it's okay.
They can't see me right now. Oh. Edit that out. No, yeah, okay. Hey guys.
Can I please put that in?
No.
So we're going back home now. Yeah. And we're gonna get some shots.
Some shots.
Of like the scenery and all.
Oh
you know.
my Christ, yeah. Can't wait. Feeling like a beluga whale after that meal, but also I'm ready for it.
You know what, guys,
definitely gonna have to unbutton one of the buttons on my skirt, but it's fine.
We'll give you an OTD, Tara. It's fine. I don't know what you're talking about.
It's literally gonna pop open
like,
any minute.
I
was like, sorry, I think this is perfect angle.
Yeah, like we don't need that.
Who's she?
I don't know who's this bitch. I don't know her.
We don't know her.
But we're also going to the cinema.
Of course, awful shaky hand. I'm sorry.
It's alright. It's auto stabilization, so I'm very smooth when I edit this or whatever.
Okay.
But we're also going to the cinema tonight.
Yeah, we're going to see Meg.
The Meg.
The Meg. Oh, I better turn the scenery on.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's like more important.
It's like I am the scenery. Oh,
yeah.
fuck.
What's this video doing? Like, get off the road.
Sorry, you're not in the vlog.
Yeah, it's like.
Ooh, here we are.
Getting your claim to fame right now.
It's like, sorry, stop.
There's a seat.
Stop trying to get some clout.
Yeah, stop trying to get in the shot, bitch. Okay. So this is Kim Beach. You know, it's very beautiful. It's very tourism. You know.
Oh, fuck off.
You know, a lot of people, like, as you can see.
I'm not allowed to swear, no?
Well, I mean, I can just beep it off, you know.
Just beep it.
We're Irish, we swear, okay? This is just our culture, you know, don't hate on us, okay?
Oh, Christ.
When I ever get monetized,
Oh, wow, yeah, this is a good one.
This is, like, guys, you'll literally flip out when you see this beach because...
Have you not shown this? You have, on your
yeah, but I
beach.
haven't seen it. Oh, I did!
Fucking day at the beach.
But, like, I mean, not everyone has seen that one, Tara.
That's like your most viewed video.
Excuse me, no, it's not. It's not my most viewed video. I have another two that have more views than that, so... but it is the most viewed one that I'm proud of.
Oh, so there's other ones you've not.
The other ones I'm not proud of. But, you know, we'll get past that, you know, hopefully. So I'm going to insert that clip video up here on the card, so do go check that video out.
Swipe up. I'm gonna click it here at the link at the screen at the top. Link in the description.
You know the eye thing that comes
Yeah.
that will come across, you know, because it's so editing and all that, you know. It's actually such a
Oh, sorry, I'm getting like this bird shit on the camera. I didn't even realize.
like
on
lovely.
the window, like I've literally been recording.
Yeah, they already know that I had a disaster this morning with my...
Oh, did you vlog it?
Yeah. Oh, I forgot that I've actually introduced that section. So...
Okay, do you want to? Okay, right, introduce it now.
So guys, this morning I had a very traumatic morning, okay? So I woke up and my window and my car was down. And then it wouldn't go back up when Mum went to go and fix it. But anyway, it wouldn't go back up, so my window was... I had to bring it out to the garage to get it fixed. So it's fixed temporarily. So I have to go out, back out again like later in the week when I have a free moment, which is like never. So I have to...
Such a busy queen.
Such a busy business.
What are you doing? Like you have a full week off.
See, I have a top secret. I have a top secret project that I'm working on. Have to get that sorted, you know. Look at this.
Oh. Shit.
Fucking God. Oh, what could that be? So guys, where I came now, I'm just gonna show you a little look-see. So that's what we're looking at. Isn't it just like the most beautiful place on earth? So we're just gonna get in and take some shots and see where we go, you know? If you're gonna think we're freaks, but who cares? Yes, excite me. Like those, the dog behind there. You look so pretty. You need so one step, whereas I'm just like, I'm working with this, okay? Same, actually. You won't see the Meg there, and we're facing it. Oh my god, there's like sun on my screen. That's fucking Paddy this morning.
Paddy?
Paddy, yeah. You can see
your man.
the flippers, yeah. I wonder if you can see that on the camera.
No, because he went back. Yeah. Honestly,
look at us.
so many people staring. It's not even funny. I actually hate it.
She's so cute, that's why.
Why we look? It should be on the view. I mean, I am the view, but
Yeah.
look at that.
Look at that.
What is that?
I don't know, it's on Snapchat. Okay guys, so you want to come in?
I think not really.
So we finished at work yesterday. It was the last day, and we had like a really crazy summer. That's why like the videos have been like really like not frequent, but do you want to tell some like stories about what?
I mean, there's no good ones. So
There was
definitely get fired.
Yeah. If they see this, but there was a really rude lady in yesterday.
Oh yeah, she was a bitch.
So mean, like no, was it yesterday? No, the day
No, it
before.
was yesterday.
And like no, it wasn't yesterday. It was the day when you finished earlier. Remember you finished at 6 and I was until the evening.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh, so okay. So that
Remember
was...
because you were getting the wine.
Oh. Fucking expose me.
Exposed. But what was I saying? Oh yeah, so she was in, and first of all when she came in, Dominic, or was it Tristan? Oh my god.
Oh. Fucking midget. Abort.
Okay guys, we had to abort that area because we just got like almost killed by flies.
Oh Christ. Attack of the midges.
Attack of the midges. So we're now back in the car and we're gonna drive off and go somewhere else.
labyrinth, yeah.
So if you're wondering, we're actually at Dukenella Beach now, which is a different beach. It's, and the ground is a bit like muddy, so just be a bit careful. Okay guys, so I was looking back at that and I realised I was looking at the viewfinder the whole time, which is really annoying. I'm really sorry. But basically yesterday after all that we went to the cinema, me and Tara, and we went to see that movie, To the Spy Who Dumped Me. So funny. I would 100% recommend, because like literally you only laugh so much, you're like, it's like you done like crunches or something. Like that's what my stomach was like yesterday. I literally felt like I just grew in abs from laughing yesterday. But yeah, it was really fun, so I'd recommend seeing that. And then tonight we're going seeing the Meg, because we have like a week off before we all go back to college, so we're trying to make most of this time off. And then also I have a lot of stuff this week, you know, like recording videos, and also I have to do some stuff for the project I'm working on that should be coming in October. Will be coming in October, because like we have like a plan of things and whatever. But yeah, I keep talking and I look really disgusting today, so I'm sorry. Okay, so I'm going to tell the story about this rude lady that came into the place I work. Okay, so she came in with her husband and they sat at the bar. I don't know if they're locals or what, I don't recognise them, so they're probably not locals, but they were so rude. So they came in, sat down, you know, all nice, whatever. I was in the middle of checking out a customer, you know, they're paying for their meal or whatever, and I was giving them their change, and the younger waiter went over, he's my cousin, he went over and he took the order for the table, the drinks order, and then he brought it up to me, because he's not allowed to do like drinks, because he's like 15, 13, 12, I can't remember, but he took it and he gave it to me, so I was going to do a drinks order. So I brought it up to me, I was doing this, checking out this customer, and then I went to start drinks, and then that lady who came with her husband came around as like a pillar. She came around the pillar like this, and she was like, "Excuse me, this man over here still needs to be served." And I was in the middle of doing my point where I was like, yeah, that's no problem, just do his drinks now. And for some reason, like the Carlsberg keg, it was coming out really slow, so there's nothing I could do about that, but it was coming out really slow. So I was there like patiently waiting, like, you know, come on, hurry up. And then it was like, I done the first one, I put it up, and then I was on the second one, and she came back over and she was like, "He is still waiting to be served." And then I was just like, yeah, and I was getting so stressed out. Like I have like a vein that's like somewhere here, I think it's here. Yeah, you see it there. Is that it? Yeah, that's it. I think that's it. Well, that literally was like about to pop. Like it literally was so big, it was like coming out of my neck. And then Tristan, my other cousin, he was like, "James, your vein here, it's like huge." And then I was like, well, I'm at it, because like, you know when you can't say anything, so you're like tense inside and you're like shaking. That's what I was like, because I couldn't be like, "Don't talk to me like that," because I was at work and I had to remain professional. So it was really annoying. But I went over then with the points, I put them down on the table, and I was like, "Here's your Carlsberg," and I just didn't spine at all. I was like, "Here's your Carlsberg." And then he was like, and I ordered a 7-Up and a vodka and white, and I was like, So I walked back over and go, vodka and white, and I could hear them talking. They were like, "You'll wait until Christmas for that drink." And then he was like, "I know, Christ, yesterday we went to Bar to get them, and that's like a town, it's like an hour away." And it's like, you know, really rude, because like, it was a long day, and then for them to come in, just be rude and just like, you know, treat you like shit basically. It was just really, really annoying, and that's one thing about working like in that kind of space where you wait on people, is you really see how there's so much nice people in this world, but there's also so many people who just treat other people like just pure dirt underground, which is really annoying, and it's really not a nice way to treat someone. Like when I go into places, I'd never like look down on people. Like you would never do that, like, because we're all the same, we're all born the same, we're all human beings, and it was just really like annoying. And then I brought over his drinks anyway, and I was just about to go crying at the stage. I was just like so sick of it, because there's been so many people in this summer that have just been so rude, and they just treat you like so poorly, and that you're below them and you're worthless, and it was just really, really, really annoying. So then that couple that was really rude, it was mostly the lady, she left then with her husband, and I was like, thank God, because she was so freaking mean. Like, am I wrong or am I right? Like, you know, you can't treat people like that. You just can't talk to people like that. You can't look down on people. Like, you just can't. Like, it's not, it's like inhumane to look down on someone. Like, it's just not right. Anyway, that's my story. Hi guys, I'm just going to close off this vlog right now. I really hope you enjoyed. I just have no words. Like, it's super random, I know, but I do really hope you enjoyed. Please let me know in the comments what you thought. Also hit that thumbs up button, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and also hit that little notification bell just to notify every upload, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.